Hello traders, good evening all. Risk disclaimer, all information on this video is for educational purpose only and is not intended to provide any financial advice. Any statement about profits or income expressed or implied does not represent a guarantee, and also this is not a copy trade service. Okay, with that, let's see what happened in Nifty and Bank Nifty and what is likely to happen in both going forward. So Nifty had a gap up open, so we had the reference level of 10,870 on higher side. So 10,870 on higher side is our reference level. If you see, none of the 5-minute bar had closed above 10,870. Someone asked, sir, you had said a break of 10,870. I said comfortably breaking 870. Then on the pullback, I'll be looking for a long trade. But here, no break had happened above 10,870. Once this VWAP had broken, I bought puts and I covered it when it hit a day's low. Okay, that was the trade I did on scalp. Bank Nifty on the other hand, if you see, it never broke this 22,700 mark which we mentioned yesterday, and once it start breaching 22,600 mark, the first target of 22,450 hit and second target of 22,365 also hit. So the longer target of this VPOC of 22,125 and this HVN also tested. So altogether everything had played because Bank Nifty was almost weak on all the time frames. Okay, so that's how it played. And if you see this one thing, I always say, if I want to go long, I need Bank Nifty also to support the weave. If Bank Nifty doesn't support, then there is no point of going long. Okay, so always keep check what is driving the market. Okay, only Reliance can't take the market, keep taking the market higher. Okay, so now for tomorrow again the same level wants to play. I want some sort of momentum to take this 10,870 mark. Okay, so that need to be taken. If that takes around, then on the pullback I will be buying, looking for 10,925 and 10,950. On lower side, if we break 10,790, okay, and keep scaling down to 10,770, I will be looking for short. My targets would be 10,740 and 10,715 zone. Okay, as I mentioned, 10,680 need to be breached for the easy 100-point trade on short. Okay, till that this range is going to get contained. On Bank Nifty, we are near previous support zone. So tomorrow I will be watching 22,500 on higher side for any bullishness to take place. In case if market opens around 22,300, if any sort of rejection happens, I will be shorting, looking for 22,170 and 22,000 levels. Okay, this time this VPOC of 21,875 also likely to get hit. Okay, Okay. Uh, that's it for Nifty and Bank Nifty. The higher, the longer we place only above 22,700, on the lower side the breach of 21,900. For Nifty it is 10,870, and on lower side 10,680. Okay, so nearly about this 200 point range is here to play. On stock front, we mentioned ICICI yesterday. If you see, ICICI never breached the first 5-minute high. Though it opened this thing, it never breached the first 5-minute high. That itself said this is not a kind of bullish move to play. Okay, so this one keeps started scaling down along with Bank Nifty. I got one trading opportunity today on LNT. When this rejection candle happened, okay, I went long at 938.5 with a stop loss of 934.5. I covered for 1:1 trade. Okay, so tomorrow, I'm just watching this stock HUL. If any open happens above say 22,070 or 75, okay, I will allow the first 15-minute high to break. If that breaks, I will be entering a long, looking for 23 as a target, first target, and 2350 as my second target. Okay, this looks good on charts. So let's see how this plays out. Okay, on open interest front, if you see, 10,700 is the highest open interest on put side, and 11,000 still backs the highest open interest on call side. Okay, so this range is getting narrowed between 300 point. On change in open interest, 11,000 again holds the highest change in open interest, and 10,700 on the lower side. Okay, so this 300 point range suggests there is going to be a good volatility for next 2 days. That's what I personally feel like. So that's it for today, guys. So as always, protect your capital and respect your risk. There is always another trade. No one trade should make or break you. Okay, regarding masterclass, if you don't receive call, just wait patiently. Okay, because the screening process my team is doing out. Just wait for even we test the patience of the applicants. Okay, just wait for it. Okay guys, so I'm ending this session now. So let's catch up on next episode tomorrow. Bye.